Hey guys, so these rugged devices are packed with interesting specifications and features, including a camping light. One of the most important tools you need if you want to go camping or night hiking is a flashlight, an extremely bright flashlight. So these rugged devices are equipped with an extremely bright LED flash at the back that are called camping lights. And these devices are of course designed for outdoor use, and as we all know, camping is an outdoor activity. So in this video I'll be exploring how bright the camping lights on these devices can get. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the first rugged phone is the Fossibot F102. This is Fossibot's latest rugged smartphone. It is packed with interesting specifications, and of course it has a round shaped camping light at the back. So according to Fossibot, the brightness of the flashlight is up to 495 lumens. 495 lumens is generally considered good for camping. It provides a bright and sufficient amount of light to illuminate your surroundings, making it easier to navigate, set up camp, and perform various activities in the dark. And there are different modes you can actually choose from. There is the SOS mode, the full bright mode, the half bright mode, explosion flash, and so on. Now we all know that even if it's energy efficient, LED flashlights still consumes energy, but you don't have to worry because the Fossibot F102 is equipped with a massive 16,500 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts rapid charging. So this device is ideal for your camping trip. If you want to go camping or night hiking, the Fossibot F102 have a really bright flashlight that could be able to lighten up your environment. So next is the Doogee S100. This device also has a really bright flashlight at the back. The max output is about 130 lumens, so it's not as bright as the camping light of the Fossibot F102, but it's still very bright, and it's ideal for any camping trip. The LED flash has a beam distance of up to 25 meters according to Doogee, and it has different illuminating modes, including SOS mode and full bright mode. So that's the camping light on the Doogee S100 Pro. It's not as bright as the camping light of the Fossibot F102, but it's still very bright. So next is the 8849 Tank 2, the device with a dual camping light, as in two camping lights at the back of the phone, and the device also have different light modes, including SOS mode, explosion flash mode, full bright mode, half bright mode, and so on. The device also has a feature called warning light, which once activated makes the device emit a red and a blue light on each camping lights. So that's for the Unihertz 8849 Tank 2. And next is the Oukitel WP26. The WP26 has the brightest flashlight on this list. Its camping light has a max output of about 1200 lumens. In case you do not know how bright these flashlights can get, it's enough to illuminate a small room. So this brightness is more than enough for your camping trip or your night hiking and so on. It's very bright, and it also has different light modes, including SOS mode, full bright mode, half bright mode, explosion flash, and so on. So what are your thoughts about the camping light on these rugged devices? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.